Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, I'm not actually in my bakkie, but I'm in another car. It's a S3, and today we will be fitting R8 coil packs to my cousin's S3, as well as a, what intake is it? CTS. A CTS cold air intake. So it's a very unexpected video, but I hope you guys like the content. Enjoy. So these are the R8 coil packs that we're busy fitting, and yeah, as you can see, as a trial and error piece of it here with the intake. We didn't so check manuals. We are the manuals, so we busy fitting.
Show them our old one.
Oh yeah, these are the stock coil packs, and basically the reason why we're replacing them is because after doing software, one of the coil packs blew. So about a month later, after doing software, one of the coil packs blew and it was misfiring when it comes into pool. So hopefully that's sorted, and then we'll take a test out. Are we go over it?
Back in business. That's only a double wheels.
Oh, look at the two junctions there. What's all done to the bottom?
Coil 4001 turbo inlet pipe or 8 coils with adapters, front mount intercooler. Software is custom Nathan software, if I'm not mistaken. He tuned it himself. You tuned your car yourself, eh?
What does it make?
Adjusted it. It's like probably 168 kilowatts, I think.
That's nice.
Like 350
4
newtons.
bar fuel pressure regulator, and you got right. What injectors are you running? Bosch 550 injectors.